Did you see those two little ducklings? Impromptu day off work today, so I've just decided to come out on a little bike ride. And you have to forgive me for not wearing a helmet. I need to buy one from Halfords, but I'm just on the cycle track, so there's nobody around, so hopefully I'll be okay, fingers crossed. So I'm cycling down one of the proper national cycle tracks. I'm going to a place called Danish Camp, where I'll probably just sit and have a coffee and cycle back. I'm just out just to get a little bit of exercise really. And a bit of fresh air, I've got to make the most of it while I can. So yeah, hopefully it won't absolutely lash it down with rain, or I could be in trouble, but never mind, see how it goes. And I have very squeaky brakes. I only got my bike out yesterday, and no, not yesterday, Tuesday. Dusted it off, pumped up the tyres. Over a couple of bumps there, oops. Yeah, just decided to get the bike out and clean it all up before my me month. I'm having a me month. I actually finished my job tomorrow because I'm being made redundant. So I have got another job to go to, but I don't start until July, so I've deliberately given myself a little bit of time to just relax. I've worked since I was 18. I've never been out of work. I've been really fortunate. On my old rally bike, I've literally had this bike forever. I could probably do with a new one really. I just really like it. It's like my little friend that never comes out in the summer because I'm a fair weather cycler. I don't like it in the rain, but it's starting to rain now. Even though it's starting to rain now, I'm determined I'm going to keep going and I'm going to get my coffee. So this cycle route was an old disused railway. I think it ran across to Bedford from Sandy, maybe in Cambridge or something. Really pretty. Do you ever have the urge to just go whoop whoop when you're in a tunnel to see how much of an echo it makes? National Cycle Network 51. So I walked this way with my nephew the other Sunday. It's a really nice sunny day. And we walked down to Danish Camp where I'm going to now. And then across on the back on the other side of this lake. It was a really, really nice walk. I hadn't been around there before, and we found some really quirky little places. So maybe that's somewhere to walk again on Monday. It's so nice to be out and about. Hopefully I won't get decapitated by a tree. Everything's been quarried out round here now. I think it's just sand that they're digging out. It's a big old tree. There's a little bird down there. You can't see him, he's watching me, I don't know what he is. see down on here it did say authorised person only, but the gate was open, so come down for a little nosy down by the river. It's nice down here. It's nice on the weekends. On a sunny day you get people canoeing and paddleboarding on here. Very quiet today though, although it is a school holidays. It's raining and I'm under a tree, so I'm going to go and get a coffee now. Just found like a little fishing platform. I've come down here because I can hear the cuckoo. I think it's over in that tree, but there's so much background noise from the road, you probably won't be able to hear it. I don't know why, but I was expecting to come up from down there and somebody would have nicked my bike. She's still in. Yay! Oh my god, did you see those two little ducklings leg it across the path in front of me? They couldn't get through the fence. They've gone into there somewhere. I could hear the mum quacking for them. That was so cute. Oh.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it, thank you.
Right, is that a thing?
Thank you, thanks. Geese. We had budgies when we were kids. You can't see, but there's a really big owl on there. This is actually a really good place to bring kids because there's loads of ducks and birds and things for them to see, and it's quite nice sitting outside at Danish Camp. So if you're in Bedfordshire and you're near the village of Willington, that's where it is, so it's worth a visit. It's really nice, summer days, sitting out in the sun. It's got an ice cream hut. They cater for everybody here, you can't not like it. It's definitely worth a visit. I've enjoyed my little bike ride this morning. All I've got to do now is cycle home. Hopefully it won't rain. And that was just a really unexpected morning, well, day off work. So I've spent the morning out and about. So I might go off to Halfords this afternoon and see if I can get myself a cycle helmet. And then in my month of work I can get out and about on the bike as well as a bit of walking. Sheep all way over there hiding in the woods, can you hear them? Maybe she's looking for a baby. She's here. Now everybody's off into the woods for some reason. Must be something interesting going on in there. in Halfords looking for a helmet. Leisure, that's what's going to do me. That's the trolley.